And we are rolling. What's up, guys? Welcome to Walk with Moshe. Thanks for joining me. It is Monday, 29th of November, and the weather is a pleasant 24 degrees Celsius. I'm walking on the bridge towards the Bluewaters island, a man-made island constructed, well, as you guys can see, that giant Ferris wheel over there is called Ain Dubai, formerly known as Dubai Eye. We're walking towards that. Construction was announced on February 2013, and the builders were Hyundai Engineering and Starneth Engineering. Construction began in May 2015. Well, they were expecting it to finish by mid-2019. However, due to further delays, this was pushed on to October 2020. And due to the unforeseen circumstances of COVID-19, it was further delayed to open up in 21st of October 2021, which was almost a month and a half ago. The Ain Dubai, or the Dubai Eye, is about 250 meters, and that's 820 feet. The world's tallest observation deck, observation wheel. The Ain Dubai is 82.4 meters taller than the previous world's tallest observation wheel, which was a high roller, which was opened in Las Vegas in March 2014. And the wheel carries up passengers of 1,750, if I'm not mistaken. And it's got 48 observation capsules. Provides a pretty awesome view of Dubai Marina and the Burj Al Arab, Jumeirah, Burj Khalifa. Enough of the technical stuff. Let's go for a walk. Oh, as you guys would have seen in my previous video, it has a beautiful LED array on itself, on the wheel itself, which was lit up green last night when I was recording from JBR. One thing I still haven't figured out is how to go live streaming with my phone, because it's a really old Samsung phone. It's a total piece of crap, so might need to get a new phone to go live. So excuse me if I go live a bit later on. Let's just call it technical difficulties, eh? This area which I'm walking in, the Bluewaters island, it was opened. It was opened last year, but the wheel itself, you can see in the far background, was opened a couple of months back. Nowadays it does tend to get really crowded, but I guess today is a Monday, so it should be fine. We're at the base here. It kind of serves as an entertainment zone. These backwards reverse umbrella looking structures are really huge. Recording them wouldn't make any justice, but in person they're pretty big. You can do a size comparison of the people walking towards it. Got a cool selection of restaurants and boutique stores. Oh, they got a McDonald's as well. I just spotted it when we parked the car. The LED screen, which is mounted on the wheel, it kind of creates an electronic platform for, you know, broadcasting, advertisements, and other information. And here we are at the almost at the base of the wheel. Let me just pan upwards. Oh, this thing is huge. Let me take a look back at where we came from. So right there. Pretty awesome. I wasn't planning on filming tonight. Luckily, I had 10% on my GoPro. However, last minute I just plugged it in to the fast charger of my iPad. And yeah, we've got about 72%. I kind of like the ambience over here. Like I said, filming it does not do any justice as being here in person. But hey, I hope you guys enjoy. And here's a wheel. There we go. Right there, right at the base. and you get a beautiful view of the JBR towers and pretty much a good deal of the skyline, the city line towards Jumeirah Beach. Can go for a little stroll at the main base, which is right below it. Now I'm gonna be riding this thing tonight. Just giving you guys a little tour, if that's what you want to call it. Guess you would call this one a world, I guess, Guinness record breaker, just like Montreal's Stade Olympique or the Olympic Stadium, world's tallest inclined tower. And here we are, right below it. You can see one of the capsules up there. We are at the underbelly of Dubai Eye, or Ain Dubai, and they've got the souvenir shops, which is closed, I guess, unfortunately. Guess you would go and get the tickets and go up right there. We're not gonna do that tonight. Just stroll it out. It's pretty unbelievable, the commitment that they've had. It was announced in 2013 and kind of anticipated to be finished before 2019. And finally they got to open it up 21st October 2021. Not bad. Not bad. That's good. Okay, let me show you guys the other side of this. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this walk with Moshe, and do check out my affiliate links, Amazon links in the description, and a like and a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. It will really help out my channel. Thank you guys. Have a good one.